Alright everyone, today we're going to see a very quick script to perform, to create, to read host. Someone came to me and asked, how can I get information from customer whenever he needs to read some information from his client? He wanted to perform some things on the string incoming to the PowerShell and would like to get this. This is very simple. You need just to send a read host, okay? And then whenever you turn this, it's simple. I am entering here and then we're done. But you know that we need variables for every kind of things we do on a PowerShell, or basically on every language we develop scripts, right? So to be a bit more complete here, I will design a menu so that I give you an idea how to create things, and from this script on you can create your own entries. So I am going to say here, welcome to the page, right? Just playing a little bit. I'll try to leave it fancy for our customers in a way that everyone can develop scripts. I'll create a variable user entry, and then I will put it equal read host. Okay, but if we do this, the read host will just come in a blank screen with the welcome to the page. So you need to instruct your user to use the read host. Okay, now I am adding a write host to call customer or user attention here. And then I am saying, I am conversating with my customer or the user here, instructing him or her what to do here. All right, white and background color, I'll put it in dark blue. All right, now we can try this out. Now we have here the welcome to the page, input your preference, 1 for customer service, 2 for other service. I will enter 2. Alright, it's just skipping and doing nothing. Now everything starts. The logic here from now on is yours, but I will give you some idea how to use it. I will put in if condition. Okay. If my user entry is equal 1, then I write host. since we have just two options here, alright, and then the foreground color and background color I will use the same for both. I will use white, and background color I'll put green, okay, for both. You may vary depending on your needs, but I will use the same. Okay, now we are all set. We can do the test for our script here. We have the welcome to the page, the message to input the preference. You are listing here the preference the customer has, and then I am asking to add the preference here. I am adding one. You are calling customer service. One is for customer service. All right. I did not like the white for the foreground, so I am putting blue. Let's run this again. One. You're calling customer service, and if I run that again, I am adding two. You're calling for other service. Okay. Whenever you need to do a menu where you have a lot of other functions working on the same script, always write your functions right above of everything. Okay, if I say I have a function called customer services, let's say this, I use for parameters here, parameter as preference. Okay, and now we can do this. Okay, now we have, let me just take everything off here. Now we have the whole text here, adding a parameter, which will be 1 or 2. In this case, we're doing nothing, right? Because the if condition is now into a function which we must call this function to work. Alright, let me just clear everything anywhere under you will understand what I'm trying to teach you here. Now let's call our function customer services, and which parameter we need to send. We have the preference. Now we know that the preference will be the user entry, and that's all. Okay. Why this happens? If I work with a lot of if conditions here, we may have a lot of scripts. If we're parsing into functions, you may have already functions outside this script, which you can call just another file of scripts or another PowerShell file here. Alright, if you run this again, we will have the same output here. And now if I pick 2 as my choice, what happens is you're calling for other services. And if I run this again and enter the option 1, you're calling customer service. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a more elaborate description for rating hosts. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and give your like. This is going to help us, me and both of you and a lot of other folks. Okay? See you